Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about a critical aspect of our digital lives, cybersecurity. As we increasingly rely on technology, protecting our digital information and systems becomes paramount. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity refers to the practices, technologies, and processes designed to safeguard digital data, networks, and systems from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction, or types of cyber threats. 1. Malware, viruses, ransomware, spyware. 2. Phishing and social engineering. 3. Denial of service, DOS, and distributed denial of service, DDoS attacks. 4. SQL injection and cross-site scripting, XSS. 5. Password cracking and brute force attacks. Here is how cybersecurity works. 1. Firewalls block unauthorized network access. 2. Encryption scrambles data to protect confidentiality. 3. Access control authenticates users and limits privileges. 4. Intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDPS, monitor network traffic. 5. Antivirus software detects and removes malware. Cybersecurity measures. 1. Strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. 2. Regular software updates and patches. 3. Network segmentation and isolation. 4. Backup and disaster recovery plans. 5. Employee education and awareness. Emerging trends. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, for threat detection. 2. Cloud security and secure access service, Edge, SASE. 3. Internet of Things, IoT, security. 4. Quantum computing and post-quantum cryptography. 5. Zero trust architecture, real-world implications. 1. Data breaches, for example, Equifax, Facebook. 2. Ransomware attacks, for example, WannaCry, NotPetya. 3. Election interference and cyber espionage. 4. Financial sector vulnerabilities. 5. Personal identity theft. Here are the best practices. 1. Stay informed and vigilant. 2. Use unique, complex passwords. 3. Enable two-factor authentication. 4. Keep software up to date. 5. Backup critical data. In conclusion, cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. Individuals, organizations, and governments must work together to protect our digital landscape. Thank you. Once again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more education content like this. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Cheers!